Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Josh Stroschein, and welcome to my course, Defeating Anti-Reverse Engineering and Anti-Debugging Techniques. I am an experienced malware analyst and reverse engineer with a passion for sharing knowledge with others. I am currently the Director of Training for the Open Information Security Foundation, where I lead all training activity for the foundation, as well as am responsible for academic outreach and developing research initiatives. I am an accomplished trainer, providing training in malware analysis, reverse engineering, and threat hunting at Black Hat, DerbyCon, TorCon, Hack in the Box, Suricon, and other public and private venues. I am also an assistant professor of cybersecurity at Dakota State University and a threat researcher for Bromium HP. In this course, we are going to get hands-on with anti-reverse engineering and anti-debugging techniques. These techniques are often used by malware authors to disrupt or prevent detailed analysis, helping them to avoid detection by even the most advanced security products. Identifying and defeating these techniques is often the first step when analyzing any malicious file. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include how anti-reverse engineering and anti-debugging affects your analysis, how to identify these techniques when analyzing malware, developing strategies for defeating or minimizing these techniques, and adding stealth to your malware sandbox or other lab environments. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills to defeat anti-reverse engineering and anti-debugging techniques used by the most sophisticated malware authors. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of reverse engineering and be comfortable with tools such as a disassembler and an assembly-level debugger. I hope you'll join me on this journey to level up your malware analysis skills with my course, Defeating Anti-Reverse Engineering and Anti-Debugging Techniques at Pluralsight.